AMH editors challenge prosecution in Mnangagwa insult case. The 30th of August 2025. By correspondent, Alpha Media Holdings, AMH. Editors Kulwani Nyathi and Faith Zaba have challenged their prosecution on charges of undermining President Emmerson Mnangagwa, arguing that the state has no legal authority to proceed without the Attorney General's approval. The two editors, Nyathi, AMH's editor-in-chief, and Zaba, editor of the Zimbabwe Independent, appeared before Harare Magistrate KUTYA Mntamani on Thursday, represented by Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, ZLHR, lawyer Nontokozo Dubtashana. They submitted that Section 34 of the Criminal Law, Codification and Reform Act requires the Attorney General's formal authorization before any prosecution for offenses under Chapter III, which include sedition, terrorism, and undermining the authority of the President. Section 34 of the Code is clear. Dubtashana told the court, the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, can only initiate prosecutions of persons accused of Chapter III crimes with the authority of the Attorney General. In this case, no such authority was sought, and none was given. My clients must therefore be unconditionally released. The defense further revealed that prosecutors had been warned on 3 prior occasions that the case could not proceed without proper authorization. State Prosecutor Lawrence Gangarawi requested more time to respond to the application, leading Magistrate Mntamani to postpone the matter to September 8th for determination. The charges stem from a satirical muckraker column published in the Zimbabwe Independent between June 27th and July 3rd, 2025 under the headline, When You Become a Mafia State. The piece criticized Zimbabwe's leadership during its SADC chairmanship, alleging electoral fraud in Mozambique, Botswana, and Namibia, and described the country as a mafia state led by a government obsessed with clinging to power through political chicanery. The state insists the article, which appeared alongside a photograph of President Mnangagwa and Mozambican President Daniel Chapo, was false in material particulars and intended to incite hostility against the president. Alpha Media Holdings publishes the Zimbabwe Independent, the Standard Newsday, and Southern Eye, and also runs the digital platform Heart and Soul TV.